In this video, we'll discuss an effective and powerful day trading strategy that utilizes only 2 indicators, making it suitable even for beginner traders. This strategy is available for free and is incredibly user-friendly. Before we begin, make sure to support our channel by subscribing and liking. To use this trading strategy, navigate to TradingView and go to the Indicator Search tab. Type Super Trend and select the one by Kenneth Billick. Access the settings of the Super Trend indicator and set the period to 12, the source to HL2, and the ATR multiplier to 2.1. In the Style tab, uncheck the boxes for Uptrend, Uptrend Begins, Downtrend, Downtrend Begins, Dots, Uptrend Highlighter, and Downtrend Highlighter. The Super Trend indicator will serve as the point for placing orders in the market. A buy signal indicates a signal to enter a buy position, while a sell signal indicates a signal to enter a sell position. Additionally, the indicator will help in determining the placement of stop-loss orders. Now, let's introduce another indicator, the Double Exponential Moving Average, Dema. Access the settings for the Dema indicator and set the length to 78. Customize the color and line thickness according to your preference in the Style tab. The Dema indicator will act as a trend guide in the market. When price candlesticks break out or stay above the Dema line, focus on finding the best point to place a buy order. Conversely, when price candlesticks break out or stay below the Dema line, focus on finding the best point to place a sell order. To place a buy order, wait for the price candlestick to break out or stay above the Dema line. Then, wait for the buy signal from Super Trend to appear. After confirming that the formed candlestick is bullish, place a buy order and set the stop loss at the Super Trend buy point. Target the take profit using a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. To place a sell order, wait for the price candlestick to break out or stay below the Dema line. Then, wait for the sell signal from Super Trend to appear. After confirming that the formed candlestick is bearish, place a sell order and set the stop loss at the Super Trend sell point. Target the take profit using a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. That concludes this video. See you in the next one.